Hi everyone, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. It's kind of early still. It's right around the time when kids are starting to get up and get ready for school, and I need to do grocery shopping, but it's my first day of work, so I'm super busy. So let me show you how I'm going to be doing my grocery haul. So I've used the Walmart pickup a few times and I really love it. And in a pinch like this where I have, work and I have piano lessons and I have to get kids off to school and all kinds of stuff, this is going to be my saving grace today. So I will show you how I'm doing it. I just wanted to show you a little bit more about my list. It's really early in the morning, so that's why it's kind of dark. But it's such a busy day that this is the way I'm going to do grocery shopping today. Thank goodness for Walmart pickup. So I will continue my shopping and I'll show you what I get. I love how you can just pick the time and the date that you just want to come pick it up. So definitely today. Wasn't that so easy? And I'm so excited that I could just pick it up right at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock or whenever I get the email. I'm looking forward to having a great first day of work or school, and we're having our very first piano lessons for our school year. So I like to do piano lessons, and thankfully we have a wonderful teacher who lets us do this, but goes from just take it through the school year and take the summers off because my kids are so little and Ezra's only like 5, so I want him to love playing piano. So we just take a little bit of break and we're starting today. So he's excited for that too, and kids are kind of running around, so better get helping. Just getting one off to school and then we homeschool the other one. Is it gonna be a good day? Yeah. Have a good day. Your turn, Ezra. Before we start work.
8, 9. What?
He's practicing. First off, I have to say that I don't remember much of what I ordered. It was hours ago and it was about 6 in the morning. So the only thing that I know that I bought were things for a lasagna and things for breakfast for dinner. So, and I'll have a video on that, the breakfast for dinner, coming up soon. But this other stuff, I don't know, maybe it was like groceries for lunches, I'm sure, and some breakfasty stuff, and we'll see. So I'm just gonna unpack and show you, put things away in the freezer and fridge as needed because it's like 95 degrees, extra humid because some storms are coming. But by the weekend, it's gonna be like 105. Ugh, I was hoping that it was gonna get cooler, but it doesn't. And here it is September, and I wanna bust out the boots, and it's not gonna happen for at least a couple more months. Welcome to Vegas. Okay, so let me get started. So I spent a total of $144. Some were some of the toiletries, and you'll see that. But first up, you can't even see me. This bag is so big. It's kind of like the Costco size, and it's about $20. It's like 19 something. Very comparable. Excuse me. I got some bacon, and I got some tater tots. So these, I'm gonna start putting them in I might do a quick dinner that way. Paul works on Saturday, so he doesn't always work on Saturdays, but this Saturday, so I might do something very quick and easy for the little kids. So they're good to have in the freezer. Okay, next up I have not 1, but 2. And I don't usually do this, so we don't just drink a lot of milk, but I do have some cereal from Costco that I need the boys to eat up. So some of them will put a little bit of cereal or a milk on their cereal. And I have a recipe for that breakfast, the breakfast for dinner. So we're gonna do that, and I'll have that video soon too. So that is why we have 2 this time, and I might even make some pudding with some of that leftover milk. We also have the mini pretzels. They're under $2. They're great for lunches, and that's what we use them for. I just got a little bag of these chicken crisp, these little strips. My oldest son loves these. I got 2 ground beefs. These are 1 pound, 1 pound extra lean. So there's 2 there. And I bought a big bag of strawberries. We're getting a little low on our jam, so I'm gonna make a bunch of jam. So I'm gonna try to do this whole bag and just put them in the freezer. I will try to link some of these recipes below, or if you can look for them in the headers. But this one I already made a video for, so it's good stuff. So I also got some cream cheese because I think, what's upside down? I think I'm gonna do some Nacho Mama's banana pudding. Did you hear that, Tina? Maybe I'll share. If you have not seen that video, it was one of my first ones, and so I'll try to put it down below, but it is fabulous. I got some mozz cheese because I'm doing lasagna, and I got some Roma tomatoes and a head of lettuce because I'll just make a salad. I've not had good luck recently. The last couple of bags that I purchased of like a ready-made salad seem to have wilted a lot faster than I can get to them, and I've only had them for like a couple of days, so not happy about that. So I'll just start making my own again. I got some carrots because we'll be making a stir fry, so that's definitely going to be useful in that. Some celery because I'm also going to make veggie packs, and some turkey. This is, of all the turkeys, if we don't get the ones that are from the deli, straight from the deli or from Costco, this one's a good one, a good third place. Whoa. Okay, I got 3 different kinds of biscuits. Well, 2 of the same. You would think I was gonna make some more donuts, but I'm not. These are for breakfast biscuits, and these ones are for a recipe coming up. And some ricotta cheese. So when I go to Walmart, I really just like their store brand stuff. It's really good, very comparable, and a lot less. So I appreciate that. So on to the next ones. Oh, and remember, or can you see that? A big old watermelon. So I hope it's nice and ripe. Okay, so I got some Prego because when I make lasagna, I just want it quick. I'm working again, so quick and easy. So that's gonna be there. And what I do for the secret ingredient is a little tiny bit of cinnamon, and it's delicious. So I'm gonna put that over here. I have some spaghettis. I'm gonna start trying to get more whole wheat ones, and then try to we're not making as much pasta lately anyway, so I do still have some gluten-free. That's not my favorite right now. So whole wheat, we'll try that. And here's some lasagna noodles. I got 2 packs of the breakfast sausage, but one is sage and one is regular. So we'll see what goes in which recipe. I got some trail mixes for lunches, and I got the pancake waffle mix. Now this is kind of bigger, and I haven't had much luck trying to find the fluffy ones because I really like the fluffy ones. And I've said it before that I do have a recipe for pancakes, and it has like flour and eggs and butter, and then I have to kind of heat the milk a little bit so it doesn't clump up together. Add water, and it's not bad. I'm not a fan of the one from Costco, so if you use the Crusties and love it, great. Not my favorite one, but this one's good. So I'm gonna just try that one. I also bought some Wondra. I think I'm saying that right. And so this kind of flour will make gravies, and we're coming into that time of year where we need to make some gravies. I also bought my favorite apples, some Honey Crisp. Now when you're doing these pickup services, sometimes you're kind of at the mercy of whoever is picking out your produce. So I like to look, and there's a couple of them here that are a little bit not perfect. I think I probably would have skipped over those ones. I kind of like them to look a little shinier, so, but I'll still eat them with peanut butter. It's super good. And I bought some yeast. Oh, I wonder what I'm gonna do with some yeast. We'll see, I don't know. I got some bananas, because you can see behind me, quite ripe, so we'll be making a lot of banana bread. So in that, I also decided to buy another 10-pound bag of this more natural flour. I don't want to say it's completely natural because it's still processed, but I do prefer buying this flour just over store-bought. It just makes me feel good. And it has lots of nice words that make me feel good. So this is the last parts. I got some tissue, which we still have a bunch from Costco, but I just like to have some in storage of it. You just never know. And, this is to kind of hold us over until we can hit the Costco and get the big ones, because this one's okay, but Costco's is better, so, and better priced. I love their Great Value brand, their Crystal Light, and I haven't tried this flavor. Do you guys drink Crystal Light? You should tell me what your favorite flavors are besides like lemonade, because I think I know what lemonade tastes like. But berry pomegranate sounds very good. And then I just got some of their store brand cookies for lunches. And that's it. So that is going to take us, remember I said $144, and I really wanted to do more, but I just couldn't think of what to fill my cart with. So I think this will be good for this following week, maybe into the weekend. And you know what? We are still using some of the stuff from Costco. So I'm super pleased with that it lasted this long. So that's great. And I've been buying, when we went out of town over the weekend, I stocked up on Grandma Sycamore. And in Utah, they have Grandma Sycamore with honey, whole wheat, and sunflower and honey, the oat ones, and the kids love those too. So I don't always see those at the store, so I had already bought like 6 loaves of bread, so that's why I didn't have that in my haul today. So thanks for stopping by. I'm so glad you're stopping by the channel and showing the love. I'm loving the comments. I appreciate everybody, and I just want everybody to have a good evening. So stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next.